Qué bonita bandera, la bandera puertorriqueña. Oh man, that's what he sees you. ¿Cómo ves ya, babe? Fírmalo acá mejor, en la que sale esa playera fea.
Get out of there.
Che.
Get out of there. Why do you want to go over there so bad for, huh?
Eku. It's okay, baby. Come on, it's okay. Come on.
What are you doing?
Who's there? Who's there? Stop it, Ikwa. Stop it.
Ow.
Ow, you step on me, no, you.
Get away from there, man.
Say hello.
Oh, here he comes.
Say hello.
Get out of that corner. What is it with you, man?
Yo se cree que esto es una nena. Mira, si ve una colita roja. Look at. Ooh, baby. Ooh.
He's like, ooh.
Ooh, baby. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, qué bonita. Come on, baby. Come on, Ekwa. It's spring. Yeah. What are you doing? Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Ekwa, you're weird, man.
A él le gustan las colitas rojas. La de la tanguita roja. La de la tanguita roja. There he goes. Se le va a trepar. La de la tanguita roja. ¿Te das cuenta que es un nene?
Are you kidding me?
Se está acomodando. Ok.
Ekwa.
Ay, qué bonita.
Ekwa is about to pile drive the cheese. I'm not touching that piece of cheese ever again. Oh my god, he's about to mount. He's trying. Uh-oh.
Le está diciendo cositas de...
He's like, listen, I don't care that you guys are here.
I can feed you, le dice. I can feed you. See? I have some meat in me.
He's preparing for the mount. He's preparing for the mount. There it is. There it is. Oh, Jesus.
Esa, ¿cómo se dice? Las muñecas esas inflables.
Ekwa is in love with the Parmesan cheese bottle. Look. He's trying to position it right.
It's all about location, right?
Look. He's getting ready. Oh my god. This is priceless. Oh my god. Oh, he's doing the nasty. Look him doing the nasty. No shame in his game. We got the porno star over here.
Pero es un Virgo. Es un Virgo el que trata de matar.
Oh, look, there he goes.
Le tienen envidia a Ekwa.
There he goes, look. They'd be like,
Serio, help me.
I can't. I don't know what to do.
Necesito tantos años. Si no tenemos que conseguir algo que no se mueva.
Mommy, are you? What is wrong? We just need to take him to a female one of him. There he goes. There he goes. He got the red part. Oh, there's no insertion. Look, look, look.
Decirle así como te tiene la primavera. La primavera.
I think this is the first. I've never seen